Hey, I have a question for you. Maybe you've got this question for me, and that's what you're doing here. Who's James McGowan and who's Elizabeth Boonin, and why do they get my tax information? So first of all, good for you. You're actually reading the documents that your lender has sent to you. And who are these random people and what do they get? So here's who they are. It's an independent third party that has been hired to verify your taxes. And I'm going to include the website here as to who they are and what they do, but just so you can see, here's Elizabeth Boonin right here on that form, and here's Jim McGowan. So what this company does is they are contracted in order to be a third-party verification company to help lenders when it comes to verifying the information required for your taxes in order to qualify for a mortgage. So nothing to be concerned about, but definitely a concern when you see random people that is sharing your non-public information with. So good for you for reading your documents. Hopefully this is helpful. The link for this website, if you want to read more about who they are and are they legit, is going to be in the comment section below.